So we made it to Green Bay here in Wisconsin, fishing the pier, like the Fox River. And I'm kind of late, you could say that. It's around 7 o'clock, I think. Let me see. Yep, 7:06. So I mean, it's not too bad. I'm gonna wait for like the sun to warm up the water temp anyways. But the goal here today is to catch some walleyes off of some flies, right? I've been dying to pump some flies. I've been dying to just make really far casts and just drifting flies in deep pockets. There's a lot of boats out there. You guys know that, like, there's a ton of boats out there already. There's probably like 20 or 30 of them. And I want to go ahead and fish like the south area of it. I'm going to go down to where all the laydowns are and fish that area. Like, I don't know, figure something out. Who knows? First time here this year. We'll see what happened. The goal here is to catch some walleyes off of some flies. As you guys know, I love using flies, pumping flies. Tying them is a pain in the butt, but they do work. Yeah, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the water. Alright, so we made it. The water level is lower than what I remember. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, it's just lower. It's been so long since I've done any fly pumping, so I'm definitely going to be rusty, so forgive me. I'm going to tie a 1 ounce sinker here because I want to be able to fling this thing way out there. Let's see if I'll still be able to pump some flies. It's been a minute. There we go. That's the cast. So rusty. Let the fish are way out. Way in the middle. So just a quick talk, right? This is what I'm using. It's my hand tying flies. I tie these myself. It's really hard to see. So they are right there. And then my favorite is this purple, chartreuse and purple right here. Right there. Okay. That's what I like to use. Imitate bait fish, and it works. Alright, so since we're not catching anything over here, we're gonna take a little nice hike. It's gonna be a nice little, you could say 15-20 minute walk, maybe. There's no parking there, there's this walking path, so we just gotta walk it out, see what happens. Should be there. According to Navionics, there's a point and it drops to like 15 feet, so hopefully that's the case. I mean, I don't know how true that thing is, but we're gonna go with it, see if we can find a fish. Just looking for one decent one, that's it. Well, I walked all the way down here and I found out it's all private. Alright, spot number I don't know what number this is, but it's been a while. Spot number 6, 7, one of those. Let's see here. Oh man, it's shallow too. Maybe we should put on my waders and test them out. But if I put it on, I can't take it off. Jeez. Alright, there's a lot of boats over here. I mean, there's boats everywhere, honestly. There's boats everywhere, so it does not matter. I'm definitely excited to try my new waders. I'm gonna walk out. I'm just gonna walk out just a little bit, not too far out. But I do need to reach this depth. I can't reach it from where I am. And I'm just banging my stuff, my sinker, on the log and the rocks, and it's breaking me off every time. So I don't have much with me. So we're gonna walk in there and see what happens. I'm gonna see how this wader holds up. You know, check the depth here real quick. If I can get to like a little honey hole. So it is pretty shallow up there, so I might just go up there. Alright, we should be good to go. Let's see. Wish me luck. Alright, wave. Chill out. I'm nervous. Oh, dude, it was deep. It's just sand. Yeah, let's not go in. It's just sand. Gosh. Oh, jeez. It's just sand, dude. Nope. It's not rocks. And I got my gloves all wet. It's not freaking rocks. Oh my gosh. Much better. This is better. Oh, this is so much better. Sheesh. Just gonna walk up to my hip here, 90 deeper. Oh, it's cold. This is some cold water. I don't know if I'm at the bottom. I need to find like a nice structure ground. Whew, my legs are cold. It's real cold. Go. That's nice. Yep. I don't think it's a walleye. No? If it is, it's a big one. Might be a drum.
Ready?
I don't know. Oh, shit. Oh, you got net. There you go. Finally. Oh, finally, right? Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Purple fly. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, there it goes. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, there we go. That's a big one. Oh no, popped off. Dude, that's a big ass fish, dude. On the jerk bait.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Dude, he pulled my drag all the way out. There we go. That's a big one. That's a big fish. Yep. It's not that big, but it's big enough. On jerk bait. Yep, that's a nice one. Oh, let's go. Finally. It's a chunker too.
It is.
Holy smoke. That's a nice one. Chill, 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 relax. Thanks, dude.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just like that. That's a nice chunker. What did I do with my plier? There we go. Nice. Flop out of my hand.